This is Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub doing another box break here in Federal Way at West Coast Sports Cards. Today we are doing box number 5 of 8 of a sealed case of Topps Finest 2015 football. So as I've mentioned before, in each master box there are 2 smaller boxes. Per box you get, per master box you get 1 autograph patch card and 1 jumbo relic card autograph. So we'll start with box number 1 of the mini boxes. Now in each mini box you get 6 packs. And you get 5 cards per pack. So here's our 6 packs. So let's start from the back, work our way through. Alright, so we got Javorius Allen, Russell Wilson, Mark Ingram, blue parallel of 250, as you can see on the bottom there. And then we got the die cut Javorius Allen Atomic Rookie, and Dante Moncrief. Pack number 2, we got Clive Walford. We got Jay Cutler. Oh, look at that. We got the, I believe this is the BCA, the Breast Cancer Awareness Parallel out of 25. LaShawn McCoy, numbered 12 of 25. Got a Phillip Rivers and a Bryce Petty rookie. Alright, moving on to pack number 3. Got a Trey Mason, Landon Collins rookie, Adrian Peterson. And there's one of the Refractor non-numbered cards, Jamison Crowder. And a David Johnson rookie. Pack number 4. Randall Cobb, Antonio Brown, Dante Fowler Jr. There's another one of the X-Fractor parallels, non-numbered, Alex Smith. Ryan Tannehill. Oh, you know what? I just realized this. The angle was wrong. This is actually a hot box. These are all black. These are all black refractors.
Oh, wow.
So that's the hot box. So that means that every card in this entire box is going to be the black refractor. I couldn't even see that bit with the angle that I was against the light. So this should be our hit in this box. Clay Matthews, Eric Decker, Kenny Bell, Atomic Die Cut, Blake Bortles, Chris Conley. Alright, so that wasn't the box hit, so it should be in this pack then. Alright, so T.Y. Hilton, got the Bryce Petty, again with the refractor non-numbered, and our auto relic, Jay Ajayi. This is the blue refractor, numbered 25 of 60. So we got the jumbo patch auto. It's a nice card. And then Matt Jones wraps it up on that pack. Alright, so now that I know this is a hot box, this is, I can't remember if it's 1 in every 8 cases comes a hot box, or if it's 1 per case is a hot box. I don't remember off the top of my head. I looked it up before. I thought it was cases. So, second box, we got our 6 packs. Start with the back again. We got Lamar Miller, Brandon Scherf. Here's the Trey Mason blue parallel, numbered out of 250, or excuse me, Trey McBride. And then here's the Sean Mannion Atomic Die Cut. And then we got a LaShawn McCoy wrapping that one up. Here's the hit already in this one. Javorius Allen, numbered out of 60. So we got 2 parallels in this box, and this is a nice 2-color patch auto, numbered, if I can see this, 42 of 60 there in the top corner. Then we get a Dorial Green Beckham rookie on top of it. All right, wow. I like the black refractors in this one. Glad we got another hot box. Good to see. And we got a Marshawn Lynch, Jamison Crowder, another Marshawn Lynch, another one of the parallels. We get Eddie Lacy, Finest Throwback Refractor, 1995 retro cards. Amari Cooper rookie. I'm actually shocked we got two low number hits in this one. All right, so Mike Davis, Andy Dalton, Cameron Artis-Payne, got a Dante Moncrief, another X-Fractor, non-numbered. Justin Houston. We got a Matt Ryan. There's a Bryce Petty gold out of 150, numbered 92 out of 150. And here we go, Amari Cooper, die cut refractor, blue parallel, numbered 259 out of 299. Emmanuel Sanders, Larry Donnell. All right, last pack. Jay Ajayi, Derek Carr, Devin Funchess. Got another Phillip Rivers refractor. And a Sammy Coates rookie card. All right, so that's your 2015 Topps Finest. Got your Buck Allen and Jay Ajayi. And then there's all your parallels. This is Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub and 2015 Topps Finest Football Break.